Today we are going to discuss about the subject mathematics for economics. As far as the economics is concerned, economics deals with acquisition, accumulation and expenditure of wealth. It is a study about the household management. The mathematical economics is best defined as the subfield of economics which examines about the mathematical concepts of economics and economics theories. Or put in other words, the calculus, matrix algebra and the differential equations are applied so as to illustrate the economic theories and analyze the economic hypotheses. As far as the differential equation is concerned, an equation having the derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to the one or more independent variables is said to have an equation which is nothing but the differential equation. As far as the integration is concerned, an integral calculus assigns the numbers to a function in a way that describes the displacement, area, volume and other concepts that arise by comparing the infinite decimal data. So integration is one of the two main important operations of the calculus. The inverse application is differential equation. So likewise, the trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which is concerned with the study about the triangles. It shows the relationship between the length and the angles of the triangles. So here this side is the hypotenuse, this side is the other perpendicular, this is base. It is parallel to the plane, it is the longest side. So here, if the value of the perpendicular opposite side is 1, means the adjacent side will be root of 3, the hypotenuse will be 2. Actually, the area of the triangle is equal to half into b into h is equal to bh by 2. B is equal to base, h is equal to nothing but the height. So, half of the parallelogram is nothing but the area of the triangle. 1 by 2 into b into h is equal to bh by 2. Here, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So when we take into account of that is sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, opposite by hypotenuse, so 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to root of 3 by 2. Likewise, when we take into account of the tan 30 is equal to 1 by root of 3. Likewise, we can find the values connected with the sin 0, sin 30, sin 45. Likewise, when we take into account of the sin 90. For example, from the triangle, it is possible to compute the values of the different values. So cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, thereafter cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. That is 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60, 90. So as far as here from the diagram, it is clear that 0, 1, 0, 1 infinity, infinity, 1 infinity. So here for the sin 90, 1, 0, infinity, 1 infinity, 0. So as far as the 45 degree is concerned, so here the 45 degree is concerned, here opposite side value is 1. So here the 45 degree adjacent here 1. So here the hypotenuse value will be root of 2. So from the diagram it is clear that from the triangle it is clear that the 45 degree will be, that is 1 by root of 2, 1 by root of 2, 1, root of 2, root of 2, 1. So likewise here root of 3 by 2, here the root of 3 by 2, here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2, here the value of 1 by root of 3, here 1 by root of 3, here the value will be root of 3, root of 3, here 2 value 2, likewise here 2 by root of 3, 2 by root of 3. So by means of this area of the triangle, it is by means of computing the hypotenuse, perpendicular, base, it is possible to compute the values of the sin 0, sin 30, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 90 degree. So we have to know about the basic formulas connected to the trigonometry. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Likewise, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. This means 1 by, that is sin theta by cos theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So this means the sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1, cosecant theta into sin theta is equal to 1, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. So secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So this is concerned with the reciprocal and quotient identities. As far as the Pythagorean identities is concerned, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. It is come under the Pythagorean identities. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Thereafter tan square theta plus 1 is equal to, that is secant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. So first we discussed about the reciprocal and quotient identities. This is about the Pythagorean identities. Likewise, we have the sum and difference identities. So as far as the sum and identities is nothing but the sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So likewise the sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So likewise cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Likewise cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So likewise when we take into account of the sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B cos A minus B by 2. So sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 cos A plus B into cos sin A minus B by 2. So likewise cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Likewise when you take into account of the, that is this is cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Likewise, we have to compute the value of the cos A into cos B. So cos A into cos B is equal to actually cos A plus B plus cos A minus B divided by 2. So sin A into sin B is equal to, that is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B by 2. Likewise, this is sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B divided by sin A plus B plus sin A minus B divided by 2. So cos A into cos B, sin A into sin B, sin A into cos B. Sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B by 2. So next, double angle identities, thereafter triple angle identities, off angle identities. As far as the double angle identities is concerned, cos 3a is equal to 3 cos a minus cos cube a. Sin 3a is equal to sin square. So here cos 3a is equal to 3 cos a minus cos 3a. Likewise, when we take into account of the tan a plus b, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. As far as the before, tan a minus b is equal to, so tan a minus b is equal to, that is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So here, that is this is sin. The off angle is concerned. So double angle means double angle, and half angle is nothing but the sin a by 2. Sin a by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 minus cos 2a by 2 is sin a by 2. Cos a by 2 refers to the plus or minus 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Tan a by 2 is equal to sin a divided by that is 1 plus cos a. So tan a by 1 minus cos a divided by sin a. So the formula for tan a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a by sin a. So likewise, this is called as the off angled identities. So as far as the double angle identities is concerned, tan 2a is equal to, so 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is equal to tan 2a. Cos 2a is equal to cosecant square a minus sin square a. So today we are going to discuss about the different aspects connected with the algebra. So a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b square is equal to a square minus b square, a square plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b square plus 2ab. A plus b plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So here a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. A minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Likewise, a cube plus b cube is equal to, so a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the important formulas connected with the algebra of expression. So when we take into account of the differential equation, as far as the differential equation is concerned, so here d by dx of f of x is equal to f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to d by dx of fx plus or minus d by dx of g of x. So d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus. So here d by dx of f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x. Likewise, the d by dx of k into fx is equal to k into d by dx of f of x. Likewise, d by dx of f of x into g of x is equal to g of x into d by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of g of x. So likewise, d by dx of f of x by g of x is equal to, so here g of x into d by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of g of x by g of x the whole square. So d by dx of f of x divided by g of x is equal to g of x into d by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of g of x divided by g of x square. So here d by dx of x is equal to 0. D by dx of k constant, that is d of dx by x is equal to 1. D of dx of k is equal to 0. D of dx of xn is equal to n xn minus 1. So n into x power n minus 1 is equal to d of dx into x power n. So d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. D by dx of e power x is equal to, that is ex. D by dx of ax is equal to, d by dx of ax is equal to ax log, ln means log a. D by dx log x value is equal to 1 by x. D by dx of log ax is equal to 1 by x into log ea. So likewise, as far as the most important formula, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Minus sin x. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. D by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. So d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. D by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Likewise, when you take into account of the d by dx of tan x is equal to, that is secant square x. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. So d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. D by dx of cot x is equal to cosecant square x. Likewise, when we take into account of the inverse, that is d by dx of sin inverse x is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. d by dx of tan inverse x, d by dx of cot inverse x, cot inverse x. So as far as the d by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So here the d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 of root of 1 minus x square. So d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, x square plus 1. So here d by cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 of x square plus 1. So likewise the d by dx of secant x, secant inverse x is equal to, that is 1 by mod x root of x square minus 1. D by dx of cosecant x inverse x is equal to minus 1 mod x square minus 1. So d by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into x square minus 1. D by dx of cosecant inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x root of x square minus 1. So as far as the integration formulas are concerned, so here as far as the differential equation is concerned, so here x dy plus y dx is equal to, x dy plus y dx is equal to dxy. So here dx plus y is equal to dx plus dy. So x into dy plus y dx is equal to dxy. D into x plus y is equal to dx by dy. So thereafter d into y by x. So d into y by x is equal to, so here x dy minus y dx divided by x square. Likewise dx by y is equal to, this is x square. So here y dx minus x dy divided by y square. Likewise x dy plus y dx divided by xy is equal to d log xy. Likewise x dy minus y dx divided by xy is equal to d dy by x. While x dy minus y dx divided by x plus y is equal to, x dy minus y dx by x plus y is equal to, so this is log d log x plus y. So now we are going to discuss about the important formulas connected with the integral calculus. So integral dx is equal to x plus constant. Integral dx by x is equal to log mod x plus c. Integral x power n dx is equal to x n plus n minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Here integral ax dx is equal to, that is 1 by log a ax plus c. So here integral log x dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. So here integral dx is equal to x. So here the x power n into ds is equal to x power n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 by c, e power x into ds is equal to e power x plus c, a power x, integral a power x into ds is equal to 1 by log a into a power x plus c. So thereafter we are going to discuss about the important formulas connected with the, that is trigonometry values, that is integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integral tan x dx is equal to minus log mod of cos x plus c. So here integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x into ds is equal to sin x plus c. Integral tan x into dx is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c. So thereafter that is secant x cot x dx is equal to log n sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. So integral cot x into dx is equal to log mod of sin x plus c. While integral secant x dx is equal to log secant x plus tan x mod plus c. Mod of secant x plus tan x plus c. As far as the that is cosecant x dx is equal to integral cosecant x dx is equal to minus log cosecant into cot x cosecant x cot x mod plus c. So when we take into account of the, that is secant square dx, integral secant square dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to, so integral secant square x is equal to tan x. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. So here, as far as the that is integration of d by root of a square minus x square is nothing but sin inverse x by a plus c. So here integral d, that is a square plus x square is equal to, that is 1 by 2 of tan inverse x x by a plus c. So as far as the mathematics for economics is concerned, we have to deal with the reciprocal and the quotient identities, Pythagorean identities, sum and different identities as far as the trigonometry is concerned. Thereafter half-angled identities, triple angled identities. As far as the triple angled identities is concerned, for example, tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a is the formula for the tan 3a. So this is the most important example under the triple angled identities. So as far as the mathematics for economics, first of all we have to be clear cut about the basic important formulas connected with the trigonometry, thereafter differential equation, as also with the integral calculus. Thank you so much.